Good morning. Question asked is, if I confess my weak areas in front of the interviewing officer, is it good or will it affect my selection at SSB? Now remember, at the SSB, interviewing officer is asking you certain questions and you're answering them. But before I answer this particular question for you, now let us see, what is anger? Anger is inability to handle dissent. And if you can handle it, or if you accept dissent, then it is called tolerance. What is jealousy? Jealousy is inability to accept good in others. But if you can accept that good in others, then it is not jealousy, then it is inspiration. Similarly, what is fear? Inability to accept the unknown is called fear. If you can accept that unknown, then it is adventure, right? So there is a very thin line on being this side or that side. You have to be very, very balanced. There is a very thin line between being frank and being balanced. Actually speaking, frankness is considered to be a good quality because you are righteous, you are forthright, you are speaking the truth. But giving more than what is required will always go against you, right? Let me explain this to you. Suppose interviewing officer ask a candidate and with an encouraging smile, you are a handsome person, have you made any girlfriends? And the candidate takes the bait. So boastfully he says, oh yes sir, I do have. Then the interviewing officer asks, with that friendly smile, how many girlfriends or how difficult it is to make girlfriends? So, sir, it's very easy. I had 3 of them and this one is the 4th one. In today's world, it's very easy to make girlfriends, use them and then leave them if required, change them. Now in the last question, the candidate has gone past the desired line. You have given more than what was required, which will go against you. As long as you have a good relationship with the other sex, and suppose you have a girlfriend, you are going strong, you want to settle down, get a job and then ultimately get married to her, we have no issues with that. But here, since you are trying to use this relationship or that person as an object, now that is not a good idea. And always remember that it's never good to give your weaknesses on the platter to the interviewing officer. Now the job of the interviewing officer is just being a catalyst. Our aim is to provide you conducive environment. Always wear a smile on our face. Even if you give a wrong answer, we don't confront you and say that you've given a wrong answer. We always are encouraging and accepting whatever you're saying. So by giving such an answer and crossing the limit of frankness, you make the job of the interviewing officers easy. Remember, interviewing officer may pose to be your friend, but he is not your friend. He is friend of the Indian Army. Indian Army is hiring a person, a commissioned officer who will stay in the army for 30-35 years. And it's very difficult to fire a commissioned officer. So always remember, interviewing officer is not your friend. He is friend of Indian Army. So remember that always. And use frankness judiciously. That's it for today. Thank you. Jai Hind.